Hello and welcome! In this video, I wanted to share some tips on how to draw a character consistently, and I also wanted to share some tips on how to use washi tape in your drawings. In my Washi glitter pen demo and review video, I drew this little girl, and so I wanted to try to draw her again in a new pose and with a new outfit using washi tape. So let's give it a go. A lot of people sometimes struggle with drawing the same character more than once. Something that helps is paying attention to the shapes that make up the character. This girl has a very simple shape. She has a round head with a rounded cheek. Her body can be simplified into a sort of rectangle, and she's got her limbs. A circle for her head. And now I'll give her a line of action. This is a gestural line that can help poses feel less stiff. Her body can be this rectangle shape. And these lines I'm drawing are for her arms and legs. The lines I place don't have to be final. This is basically just how I figure out what the character is doing for this particular drawing. Now I'll continue to flesh out the drawing. For the face, paying attention to the shape, the size, and the placement of the facial features will help the character look like it's the same character from before. I think it's important to pay attention to the structure that makes up your character. Things like placement, size, shape, proportion. These will help your character feel consistent no matter what outfit you draw them in, what hairstyle you draw them in, or what pose you might draw them in. Use the washi tape. The process is fairly simple. All you have to do is measure out where you want to place the tape, stick it down, and once it's ready, carefully cut the excess tape off. I'll be using this circle cutter or curve cutter. It has a small sharp blade, very carefully now. So you can see it rotates. So now I carefully cut the excess tape. Careful not to apply too much pressure because I don't want to cut through the paper. I just want to cut the tape off. And I do this for the rest of the outfit. I touch up details that have gotten a little bit harder to see because of the tape using the pigment liners. minimalistic like in the original drawing. The results. I hope you found this helpful in some way. Thank you for watching. God bless.